Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen Neo Hybrid Metal Aluminum Bumper Case for your Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Alright, this is hot right here. First up, let me show you the website real quick so you can see where to get it from. Go to Amazon.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. Alright, so we got the Galaxy Note 4 case, Spigen Aluminum Bumper. Okay, now this is the Neo Hybrid Metal. Now it comes in a bunch of colors. You got gold, blue, silver, red. Pick your choice. Now this is an aluminum frame with no sagging. All right, TPU slim fit dual layered protective bumper case for your Galaxy Note 4. Now the price for this $23.99. All right, so you're looking at about 25 bucks. There goes all the colors to choose from. Pause this and read it for yourself if you want, but this is a combination of TPU and aluminum frame for drop and scratch protection. All right, slim and form-fitted to show the perfect shape of your device. You got metalized polycarbonate control buttons for a stylish look. You got advanced shock absorption technology, web pattern TPU case. Now this is compatible with your Samsung Galaxy Note 4 2014 version. All right, so now I already know that this is going to be one of my favorite cases. This is very similar to the Veris Iron Shield. Very similar. All right, that was the main difference between the Neo Hybrid and the Iron Shield. Pretty much they look the same, but the Iron Shield had the aluminum side. Now this one got the aluminum sides. Okay, so we got diamond cut aluminum. Okay, so let's pop this open real quick. Fellas, activate beast mode. Okay, bring it down. Let's see what you get inside. Okay, here's a little cutout right here, showing you how to install it. Okay, you got your heart rate sensor issue, stiff with pressure, relax with no pressure. All right, shows you how to use a heart rate sensor, if you could get it to work or not. And of course, real or fake. You need your official certificate of authenticity, and we got one of those on deck. All right, so the official Spigen certificate of authenticity, you got the real deal. Now you also got the case. So let's take a look at this case. Now the case itself, like I said, it looks exactly like the Iron Shield from Veris. You know, speaking of Veris, is like Mercedes-Benz and BMW. You know, both of them is top quality. All right, I rock with both of them. This one looks sick. And just now, it's cold over here in New York City. Just pulling it out the bag, the sides of it, you can feel the cold aluminum. Beautiful. All right, so we got Neo Hybrid branding on the side. All right, diamond cut aluminum. There goes your power button. On the top, you got a cutout for your IR blaster, cutout for your headphone jack. On the side, you got raised up power buttons with your plus and minus. All right, bottom, cutout for your microphone. Now, if you got a Verizon Note 4, you know that you're going to notice that your microphone is a little bit more to the left, so you might want to be careful with this one. But all other Galaxy Note 4s, this will work. And even if you have a Verizon Galaxy Note 4 and you're one of those people that don't talk on the phone, and what I mean by that is you use Bluetooth headsets or, you know, wired headsets, then that's not going to be an issue. But if you talk on the phone all the time, this is going to cover up your microphone and your voice might get muffled a little bit. You got a cutout for your S Pen. On the back, cutout for your camera and your flash. Cutout for your heart rate monitor with that little recess right there. And you also have a cutout for your speaker. And you got some Spigen branding on the back. Now this has that textured feel to the back. Definitely feeling that. On the inside, you got that web pattern for shock absorption. Looks hot. So let me grab my Galaxy Note 4. We'll drop this on here, and we'll see how this looks. Now, like I said, I got this case for my Galaxy, which is my Galaxy S5, but I got the Veris version. And let me tell y'all, this is one of my favorite cases. Trust me. Now, for installation, let me let y'all see what I'm doing back here. Put the rubber part on first, and then put the aluminum frame right over it. All right, make sure you get it fit. Now I gotta pull back from behind the camera a little bit because I want to make sure everything is lined up correctly. All right, here we go. Let's make sure all the buttons working. Okay, and this is what's gonna look like on your phone. This is sick. All right, you got to hold this case in your hand to understand what I'm talking about. But if you got the Neo Hybrid, you already know how that case looks and feels. Imagine a Neo Hybrid, but now with aluminum sides. All right, so you're going to get that cold aluminum feel to it. All right, this is a go right here. Power button, everything works fine. All right, I got my lock on here. Let me just take this off real quick. All right, Everything works fine. Let's grab the S Pen real quick. Now, as you can see, I got a tempered glass screen protector on here. Let me just make sure this is on correctly. There we go. You see I had a little lifting on the bottom. All right, let's grab the S Pen out of here. S Pen comes in and out with no problem. This case is a go. Now, the main part about this case is the feel. Trust me when I tell you, you got to hold this in your hand. This is probably going to be my new favorite note case right now. I'm just definitely feeling this one. Y'all remember when I had this, the Iron Shield for the LG G3? It was just so sick. Now I got that same feeling on the Note 4. All right, because that's, like I said, that's the main difference between this and the Neo Hybrid. If the Neo Hybrid has plastic sides, now you got aluminum around the sides. So it's going to give you that premium feel that we all know and love. When you get a new phone, you want to feel that cold metal. You're going to get that with this case. All right, so this is a win right here. You heard it from me. Check this one out. Less than 25 bucks. Yeah, get this one. All right, get this one for sure. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know what color y'all getting. All right, I went with champagne gold, but I'm probably going to order the silver one too. Maybe the red one. We'll see. The red one probably looks sick with the aluminum sides too. All right, the red one probably definitely looks sick. All right, but this is hot right here. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know the deal. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the Amazon Warrior on Sundays. Y'all already know the deal. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. Or y'all haters, or y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss. I'm out. Deuces.